Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our tutorials, make sure you click the bell icon. In this video, you will learn how to change WHMCS logo. Branding is the most essential attribute for every online business. If your brand appears at several places online, the chances are more of customers selecting it without overthinking. Before starting with the step-by-step process to change WHMCS logo, first we will see what is WHMCS. WHMCS stands for Web Host Manager Complete Solution. It is a full-fledged client management, billing, and support system that is popularly known for hosting reseller businesses. The client area of WHMCS is created in a way that the user can change the look and feel of everything. WHMCS works on the powerful smart template system that enables easy customization of the layout. Here, I am logged into the client area of my WHMCS panel. This is the logo that I want to replace. Let's see how to change WHMCS logo. Log into the cPanel. Under Files section, click on File Manager. On the left side, click on public_HTML directory. Here, you will see the files and folders. Choose appropriate directory where you have installed WHMCS. In my case, I have installed WHMCS in WHMCS folder. Open it. Go to Templates. Open the folder named as 6, which is the default WHMCS template I am using. If you are using different template, then use the appropriate directory. To check your current WHMCS template, log into the admin panel and access the option Setup, General Settings. The General Settings dashboard will appear. Under that, go to Template and here check if you have selected the appropriate directory. Go back to File Manager and open IMG folder. Now click on Upload. Here you can either select your logo file or drag and drop it. Make sure the file type is PNG and the background is transparent. The recommended dimension for logo is 190 x 61 pixels. Let's go back to previous section. If you already have logo.png file in your folder, then rename it to something else. Now, rename your new logo file to logo.png. Let's go to the client area of WHMCS and refresh it. As you can see, our logo has now been replaced. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.